Welcome to Time Pass Media Weekly Box Office Updates. Chota Mumbai re-release starring Mohanlal, Bhavana, Kalaban Mani. Release date June 6th. 7 days box office collection. Kerala 2.85 crore. Others 20 lakhs. Total worldwide gross 3.05 crore. Positive reviews from audience. Box office verdict blockbuster. ആഭ്യന്തര കുറ്റവാളി സ്റ്റാറിംഗ് ആസിഫ് അലി, ജഗദീഷ് ആൻഡ് തുളസി. റിലീസ് ഡേറ്റ് ജൂൺ 6th. 7 days ബോക്സ് ഓഫീസ് കളക്ഷൻ. കേരള 3.5 crore. അതേഴ്സ് 0.5 crore. ടോട്ടൽ വേൾഡ് വൈഡ് ഗ്രോസ് 4 crore. മിക്സഡ് റിവ്യൂസ് ഫ്രം ഓഡിയൻസ്. ബോക്സ് ഓഫീസ് വേർഡിക്ട് ആവറേജ് ഓപ്പണിംഗ്. Written and directed by God. Starring Sunny Wayne, Thaiju Kurup. Release date June 5th. 8 days box office collection. Kerala 52 lakhs. Others 10 lakhs. Total worldwide gross 62 lakhs. Negative reviews from audience. Box office verdict poor opening. Moonwalk starring Anurag, Rishi and Siddharth. Release date May 13th. 14 days box office collection. Kerala 85 lakhs. Others 20 lakhs. Total worldwide gross 1.05 crore. Positive reviews from audience. Box office verdict flop. Nariveta starring Tovino, Suraj and Priyamvada Krishnan. Release date May 23rd. 21 days box office collection. Kerala 16.65 crore. Others 11.10 crore. Total worldwide gross 27.75 crore. Positive reviews from audience. Box office verdict hit. Detective Ujjalan starring Dhyan Srinivasan and Siju Wilson. Release date May 23rd. 21 days box office collection. Kerala 4.8 crore. Others 2 crore. Total worldwide gross 6.8 crore. Positive reviews from audience. Box office verdict flop. Prince and Family starring Dileep, Siddiq and Dhyan Srinivasan. Release date May 9th. 35 days box office collection. Kerala 17.3 crore. Others 9 crore. Total worldwide gross 26.3 crore. Mixed reviews from audience. Box office verdict hit. Padakalam starring Suraj, Sharafuddin and Sandeep Pradeep. Release date May 8th. 36 days box office collection. Kerala 12.6 crore. Others 4.5 crore. Total worldwide gross 17.1 crore. Positive reviews from audience. Box office verdict hit. Please subscribe and support.